Hey guys, welcome back to the AC Test Kitchen. So summer is almost here, almost. And we thought that we would get in the spirit of the season with a really great summer recipe. Today we are going to make a lump crab cake with a mango salsa. And trust me when I say that this is delicious. It's pretty straightforward. There are a couple things to keep in mind. One, you should use lump crab if you can, and not that like crab blend that you can get in the grocery store. If you can only get that, this will work fine, but the lump crab really yields a nicely textured crab cake that doesn't get super mushy, which is like one of my pet peeves. And then the second thing, this recipe calls for breadcrumbs, and my secret is that I like to use half standard breadcrumb and half oyster crackers. I try to get a plain breadcrumb and then add my own parsley, so I'm not using anything that's like Italian seasoned or whatever. Use whatever you can get. If you want to use panko, use panko. If you want to make your own breadcrumbs, have at it. But I think that split between oyster cracker and breadcrumb is money. So let's get started. Okay, so let's make some crab cakes. You're going to need about 2 pounds of lump crab. Check it out. Look at how good that looks. And we're going to start by adding our dry spices, our capers. Didn't mention that you need capers. You need capers, MBD, whatever. Here we are. The parsley that you chopped, again, this is because I don't really like using the Italian breadcrumbs, but that's just me being cray. So here we are. And you're going to need the juice of 2 lemons. And then you're going to give that a mix. And the trick here is to just kind of fold it over itself. And kind of like cut through. What you don't want to do is you don't want to break up the crab meat. Okay, and then you are going to take half of your breadcrumb mixture and add that to your crabs. Okay, so once half of your breadcrumbs are incorporated, we are going to add in our egg yolks, and our mayonnaise. And again, just some gentle folding going on over here. So once you have incorporated your yolks and your mayonnaise, that's when we're going to start gradually adding in more breadcrumbs. And again, slowly so that you don't get them too wet. I'm also going to add in a bit of pep. And I'm likely going to avoid adding salt at this stage. The crab is salty, the capers are salty, and you don't want these to end up being over salted. So once you have that all mixed together, we're going to cover this with some plastic wrap, and you're going to let this sit in the fridge for at least 45 minutes. Can you make it in advance, like the night before? You bet you can, but we're not that prepared. And then while this rests, we will make our mango salsa. Okay, so while your crab is chilling in the fridge, we're gonna put the mango salsa together, which is super, super fast. So you are going to take 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and then 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And you are going to whisk that together until the brown sugar has dissolved. Okay, so we're gonna take our 1/4 cup measuring cup and we're gonna portion these out into nice 2-ounce portions. And this will make about 18-ish crab cakes. So you are going to place these in your pan, and you just don't want them to touch. Should be able to get about 6 in there. And you are going to cook these for about 2 minutes on each side. To give them a little pressy. Nice. This little cake-a-roo. I mean, that's pretty adorbs. There you have it. Happy summer with crab cakes and mango salsa. You're welcome. Make it. It's delicious.